Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to get emoji effect or how to make emoji effect reels video on Instagram. So for that basically we need two things. The first one is audio and a filter. I have already added this audio in my library. So to get this filter, just click on home plus go to reel section, click on effect, and here you need to click on search, and search is as Pota. Okay, so this is the first one. Just click on this one. Here you can see the filter is ready. Okay, so now I have already saved the audio here. So I will go to music, saved, and this is of music. So I will click on this one. So here the audio is getting played, but I have muted due to copyright issue. So once audio is loaded, okay, you need to press on this circle and start recording this video. So I have started recording this video. It's around few seconds, and you can see at the end this emoji is getting added. So now the video is done. I will click on next. So here you can see the next button is there. So you just need to click on this. Okay, so it is processing. Now the video is ready. You can select the thumbnail whatever you want, like I have selected, and click on share. You can add a caption whatever you want. So I have added the audio link in my video description, and also here you can see the audio name, or else you can go to my Instagram account. Here you can see the in my recent reel, so you can use this audio. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.